In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete and also remove your card from your Coursera account. Very, very simple. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how you can end your 7-day trial. So now let's proceed to deleting the card from our account. So what we are going to do is we move to our profile here. If you have a picture, you should see your picture here. I have no picture, so there's it. And now we are going to move to our settings. And if you've added a card, payment should appear here. So just tap on that. Good. And you can see this is my Visa card. So I'm just going to tap on the delete to delete it from the account. Confirm the deletion and you're good to go. So that's it. And one thing you should know, if you're on a 7-day trial, don't proceed to delete your card just like that. Go and end the trial before you come and delete your card information. So I have a video on how to end the 7-day trial. I've linked it to this video description, and that's it for the video. Very, very simple.